that right there we're going to attack right now, because I know I want to get, this is still the beginning of the trail. I'm going to get this little piece right here out, and then we're going to work down where we started, where we ended on the last video. But this is part 7. So y'all enjoy, and we'll get started right now. Boom. Yes, I brought the Sawzall out. After. Whoo! All right, so I think I'm finally done with the entrance here. If you can see that or not, but it is wide enough. I got all those roots that I said I was gonna go. It was like out to here, and I got it all the way, and you're just gonna circle around right there. But this little entrance right here is complete. I think I might build that wall up a little bit on the rocks, but sorry, I had to come back up here and fix this. It's kind of bothering me. I had the Sawzall with me, so I went ahead and pretty much drained the batteries, 2 of them, on that right there. And I know I got some more up here to do with the Sawzall, but I got to charge the batteries up to get that. But I'm gonna work on it a little right there, and then I'll be done pretty much with the front. All right, I believe this is where we kind of left off with the rocks and everything. Man, we got some rain, we had some storm tornadoes. We had some crazy stuff going on the last couple of weeks, actually. So that's why you saw in the previous video, saw some trees that were over the trails. So you'll see some of that removal, and get some firewood from that as well. So there's always something to do. I'll tell you that right now. Always something to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to work our way down. We might kind of go that way a little bit and kind of work on down. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Whatever makes sense. All right, kind of give you a little bit of update here. I did get that pretty well trimmed up, trying to get all the dirt from one side to the other, where the 4-wheeler is right now. This is bothering me right here, so I'm gonna try to get that out real quick. This is very time consuming, even with the Sawzall, it is time consuming. That's a lot of mess right there. It's gonna take some time. I don't know if I should do that or just keep on going down for now. I might just do this off camera and get that done and kind of work myself on down the line. You can kind of see, give you an idea, because where that little stump is right there, right here is where I stopped. So I'm gonna move on down and see how far I can get. yes, I did clear a little bit of that right there out. And I also got all that stuff. I said I was gonna get that notch out right there. So I got that all the way done, all the way down. Still got to rake a little bit, but and rake a little bit, all that stuff that way. Spoilers in the way. But I just want to kind of give y'all a quick update on what's going on. Kind of go down here for a little bit. Kind of see. I raked a lot of it down here towards the rocks so we get a little bit even there. But here you go. It's getting there slowly but surely. I got that notch out of the way, which was good. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Two or three little cuts for the sawzall, a couple hits with the pickaxe, and we were good to go. All right, cool. Before, after. Woo! All right, everyone, it's clearly not the same day. I'm gonna work on, basically, you can see where I did some stuff not too long ago. And we're gonna start back where we left off, right there, and I guess we're gonna try to work our way down a little bit and kind of go from there. I know the right side here, it's pretty level, so I'm just gonna try to get a little more level, sustainable, and kind of go from there. This is a big rock. I don't know if y'all can see this, but that is a huge rock. I'm not sure if that's one rock, two rocks. I don't know if that's multiple rocks. I don't know, but that sucker's huge. If I get that out, that will take a lot of the hill out, and I can actually work myself down this way a lot better. So we'll see. This thing's taking forever to get out. I mean, it's probably 2 feet in the ground. It's crazy. It's huge. I'm not sure how wide that rock is, but it goes up way over. It goes on this right here. I mean, it goes all the way around. Okay, so I'm done. That vibration of the pickaxe hurting my hands. Yeah, get the rock. That's good. Yeah, get it. Yeah. That'll work. And he's still in his sandals. No, just to let everybody know, he just came out here for a second. And, you know, we can't resist not to try to get something out. So, you know, there you go. So here's the status of the big old rock. Still working at it. And I can tell you this is another rock right there, right beside it. 2 rocks right there. I'm not sure how far that one goes back into the dirt, but I don't know if you can see all these little rocks that I've gotten. They're all along there, and out of that one little hole so far, this is how many rocks I've gotten out of that one little hole. I'm just going to kind of stack them up a little bit here, and then stack bigger rocks on top of that. But I don't know if y'all see how big these rocks are from a distance. It doesn't look, you know, big, I guess, on the video, but I mean, they're pretty massive rocks. They're a little over a foot long. I don't know, 6, 7, 8 inches wide, depending which one you look at. But this is the big rock that I got just a minute ago. So they're pretty big rocks. And it goes all along the side there. And that's what I'm looking for, all the way up the trail eventually. But I'm trying to get this big boulder out right now. I mean, that sucker's huge. All right, let me work on it. All right, there's another rock that was right beside that rock. So there you go. Then that's a pretty big rock as well. So there's not even a hole there. Here we go. Guys, this is a boulder. I mean, it is huge. I've already dug around. I got 2 or 3 big rocks out of this one big boulder here. There's another rock on the side there I gotta get, but you can see how big the pickaxe is. And you can see how big the boulder, big rock. I don't know if I can even move it. We'll see. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Looks like I'm gonna have to break it in a little bit of pieces, but I think it's already in kind of pieces. It's just so compressed together. It is literally a pit of rocks. And look at all the rocks I've gotten. I mean, these are not small rocks. This is one big giant boulder that pieced up a little bit. I mean, this is crazy. That's one big hole right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but let me get on the other end so you can see. I mean, that's a big hole. So I'm gonna take some of this dirt and kind of fill that in. It might take some time, so we'll figure it out. All right, so you see where I raked out all those rocks. Well, it didn't rake, I carried all those rocks from one place to the other here, got them stacked up on the side. All the little smaller rocks are kind of stacked right there. I don't know, we'll figure out what to do there. But I got them all lined up here. It is getting more level, on this side. Probably gonna get some more dirt and put on, try to do as much as I possibly can. Down this trail may not look like the other top there because it is a little bit more smoother. I might get some, break some of this hill right here, you know, down, just smooth it out a little bit. And I'm going to have to fill this hole in right here. That's a big old hole. Oh man, get some dirt from one to the other. But guys, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I think we're going to end this one right here, and the next one I think you'll see me carry that, get that hole kind of leveled out there, and kind of work my way on down a little bit, get a little bit more level, stack some more rocks on the sides. I'm not talking about small rocks, I'm talking about bigger rocks, so you can kind of significantly see it a lot better than it is now. But it's a lot of work, but it's gonna be a pretty trail. I just care about this trail. You know, the other trails I gotta work on, get them a little bit wider, I know that. But this is one of my projects that I've been working on for a while now. It was all just like that at one point. It was nothing but a hill, you know, and I carved it out. But greatly appreciate y'all subscribing. It warms my heart. I love it. Appreciate y'all. Love you, mean it. Peace out.